Upgrading your bedroom climate control, home office, or small living space with powerful cooling without dealing with the deafening roar and constant bucket emptying of traditional portable ACs usually means transitioning to an advanced, whisper-quiet smart unit. The DREO Portable Air Conditioner 515S, 12,000 BTU ASHRAE/8,000 BTU DOE, redefines domestic cooling by combining high-efficiency thermal performance, automated self-evaporation technology, and seamless smart ecosystem integration into a sleek, space-saving tower design. The primary technological breakthrough centers on its optimized single-hose cooling architecture paired with a patented drainage-free self-evaporating system. Instead of struggling with traditional portable units that continuously collect water in internal pans and force you to manually drain them or halt operation midday, this system automatically vaporizes and expels condensation through the exhaust duct under normal humidity levels, requiring virtually zero daily maintenance. Performance and everyday versatility streamline climate comfort across rooms up to 300 to 350 square feet. Functioning as a robust 3-in-1 appliance, cooling, fan, and dehumidifier, it easily tackles sticky summer heat waves or damp seasonal weather. Day-to-day usability is supercharged by an exceptionally low operating volume running as quietly as 46 decibels in sleep mode, comprehensive smart control via the DREO app, Amazon Alexa, or Google Home for custom scheduling and routines, an intuitive front-facing touch control panel, a magnetic remote control, and an inclusive universal window installation kit. Things to consider before you buy. Because this is a single-hose portable air conditioner, it expels warm air outside while pulling replacement air from your home, meaning it operates most efficiently when room seals and window kits are tightly secured. Additionally, while its slim tower profile minimizes its footprint, you will want to ensure your layout places it reasonably close to both an electrical outlet and a sliding or double-hung window compatible with the included panel kit. So, who is this really for? This smart portable AC is an absolute home run for light sleepers, apartment dwellers, and remote workers who want powerful, app-controllable room cooling without the disruptive noise or high maintenance of legacy portable units. If you are looking for a permanent, wall-penetrating mini-split system or have a massive open-concept multi-room floor plan exceeding 500 square feet, a larger cooling system or central AC will better match your square footage requirements. Is it worth the money? If you value whisper-quiet 46 dB performance, drainage-free self-evaporation convenience, a versatile 3-in-1 layout, and robust smart app and voice integration in a sleek package, it is a premier, hassle-free investment for beating the summer heat.